Welcome to the 7-minute arm workout. Let's start with jumping jacks.
4, 3, 2, 1, go! 1, stop.
Superman rotation is next.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Stop.
Be ready for kneeing push-ups.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop.
Mountain climbers are next.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Four, three, two, one, stop.
Be ready for the pulse backward.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! One, stop.
Next comes around the world.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! One, stop.
Be ready for pulse upward.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop.
Next, high plank to dog.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! 1, stop.
Closed butterfly is next.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! 1, stop.
Now, the reverse plank.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop.
Next, slap hands down.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop.
Be ready for lay down push-ups.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! 1, stop.
And finally, grab toe touches.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop. Finished.